Hi everyone and welcome to another video of Mastercam. So we are going to start our new module which is Mastercam Simulator and Code Expert. So in this module we are going to learn about Mastercam Simulator, Simulator Overview, Verify, Mastercam Verify and Verify Adjustments, Posting and Mastercam Code Expert. So let's get started. So the first thing we should know about what is simulator. Simulator is a replica of actual work. Let me explain you by giving you an example. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a model in the Mastercam and we are going to check over all the parameters before loading a program on machine. So let me tell you that we are going to create a rectangular pocket which is 200 by 100. Okay, so give some fillets. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I just want to make some stock material for this wireframe. Go to model prep, wireframe, machine, select my mill machine and stock model, all entities. Let's say that our actual size is 100 by 200. So let's say that our stock material is 120 by 220 and the thickness of the stock is 35 mm. So this is how our stock is placed on the machine. Now what we are going to do is we're gonna apply a toolpath strategy. Let me say that we're going to apply the contour strategy. Okay. Select the toolpath and select tool and mill. I'm going to select the end mill 10 mm flat end. So let's say that we have the spindle speed by default, feed rate default, plunge default, all these settings are by default. Go to cutting parameters, say that it's a ramp type cutting operation and the depth of each cut is 1 mm. As a complete revolution or complete cycle is 1 mm. Depth of cuts, lead in and lead out, we need. Linking parameters, go further towards minus 35. The top of the stock is 0. I'll just click OK. So what you see over here, the cutting tool path is being generated here. And what I want to do is before make this program and load this program on machine, we're gonna test this program on the software. So this is what we call the simulation. So let's simulate this tool path using the backplot setting. So we have the backplot operation. We have selected the contour operation and here the icon looks like this. So this is this simple simulation known as backplot. Click here and what we're going to see is we're going to see the play and pause button, forward backward button and the trace mode and the speed mode, and here you have the backplots and other settings. Show the tool holder option, show rapid speeds and the trace mode. So this is actually what we call the trace mode. Okay, in the tracing mode it actually shows you where the cutter moves and how much area does the cutter takes. Okay, so let's play this. So this is how it looks like. So this is what we call the simple simulation, and this simulation consists of a tool strategy and the tool. And in Mastercam, this simulation is also known as backplot. This simulation also helps you to identify the starting point and the ending point of the entrance. The blue lines is the tool path strategy, where the cutting tool will cut down the material, and it shows you how it would look like. So this is the backplot setting. And the purpose of the simulation is to get in to know how our cutting tool actually work on real machine. If there is any accidents, the simulation will also show you where the accident is actually done and how it occurs and where it occurs. So hopefully you understand how the simulation works. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much.